increasing the lifespan of products is an effective environmental strategy. Whilst recycling a device puts materials back into use for manufacturing new products, extending the device life for its original function is preferable. These are what we call the inner loops of the circular economy. It is therefore crucial to take this into consideration when building our circular economic strategy. Product repairability is more than a trend. It is a strong and long-lasting requirement for industry players. In 2020, the new Circular Economy Action Plan was adopted by the European Commission. It is a cornerstone of the European Green Deal, the new agenda for sustainable growth. It has defined several initiatives to extend the life cycle of products. It is one of the many legislative and non-legislative measures to close the loop of product life cycles. Similarly, we have so far tracked 86 emerging regulations or bills in North and South America that aim to implement the so-called right to repair strategy, which could specifically impact IT equipment. On average, repairing an HP product generates 36 kilograms of CO2, which is 4 times lower than replacing it with a new unit. In 2021, HP repaired 6.3 million units of hardware. HP offers multi-channel repair services, customer serviceable products, extensive self-repair guides, and comprehensive service videos. The HP Support YouTube channel offers 17,000 helpful videos in multiple languages and has garnered 291 million views. It is a free and handy resource for both HP customers and repair engineers. HP is developing a serviceability scorecard, which measures how tricky it is to repair an HP product and if the customer can do it on their own. Our repair rate is close to 99%, and the small amount that can't be repaired, we recycle. We even fix broken parts recovered from repair devices to use them again when repairing other devices. Research has shown that many barriers remain both from the industry side and the customer side. We ought to solve what can be summarized under the repair equation. If repair is affordable and convenient and trustworthy, then the repaired product wins. Otherwise, the replacement product remains the winner. We are continuously improving our diagnostic processes, not only to improve the accuracy of our tools, but also to support self-service diagnostics and resolutions. We are looking at what drives consumer behavior around repair. In an HP survey, we found that on average, consumers are willing to pay up to 30% of the cost of a new product for a repair. In the recent years, initiatives such as DIY repair kits, repair stations, self-repair technologies, and third-party repair have been blossoming in the IT market. Repair services are becoming a strong market differentiator. To move forward, we need to keep looking at how to drive improvements in areas such as device modularity, upgradability, and repairability, but also with the repair services we offer. We will continue to leverage our strengths and knowledge to further enhance customer experience with repair, with a focus on making it more accessible, more convenient, and more affordable with uncharted and innovative ideas. Focus on repair and reuse services as a growth strategy will help us transition to a cleaner circular economic system and create value for our planet, people, and communities.